Hello friends, welcome to Abhyanvi tutorials. So today in this tax problem, we'll see how to calculate the delta, that is budget minus actual for each allocation per and for each year. Okay. So here I have a table allocation and type whether it is budget or actual. Then year 2023-24. Then cost is there. So my requirement is I want to calculate the delta, that is budget minus actual for each allocation and for each year. Okay. So let's see how to do it. Let's write a measure here. Okay. Let's say measure delta. Okay. So we'll define two variables. One is like variable actual equal to calculate sum of cost, right? Sum of cost, okay, comma, type equal to actual, okay. So this is one variable, and the second variable is budget equal to same thing will come, and in place of actual, it will be budget, okay. Budget, right? So two variables we got, then return budget minus actual. Okay, guys. So this is our delta. Okay, so let us see how our measure works. Let us go to visuals, take a table here. Okay, then take the allocation. Okay, then year. Okay, then cost. Okay, so here we won't sum these things. Okay, so remove the sum, don't summarize. Here also don't summarize. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so we'll give the measure here. Okay, this is the measure. Okay, so we are interested in allocation and year and delta, right? So we'll remove the cost here. Okay, so this is a final table. So we have calculated delta for each allocation and for each year. Okay, guys. So here what happening in measure, we are calculating two variables and we are returning budget minus actual. So this is a Power BI is a row wise filter contest. So this return budget minus actual delta will be splitted according to your year and allocation. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanu Tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.